Welcome to 42 Epsom in Ascot. Secure front gate, large parking on the side and then also in the front. Nature welcomes you home. Timber floors throughout the home. Space for a very large fridge, timber cabinets and a centre island bench top. Bedroom number 2. Rear living space, we'll come back to that. The third bedroom and then the laundry. Plenty of space for equipment. So you've got a walk-in robe here. So this could be a master bedroom at the back here with an ensuite or a rear living space. Up to you. That second bedroom and the laundry, back to the kitchen. Ceiling fan and split cycle AC. Nice rear deck area. Raised garden beds, plenty of potential. Side walking access, storage shed. Let's go through to the highlight of the home, which is the equestrian facilities for horses at the rear. Here's that extra tall carport again. So you've got tap there with drainage and multiple yards here. Plenty of storage also. Lighting inside. Multiple pens. Lovely little garden spot over there as well. So they've got lighting, plenty of access as well. You've got concrete floors and then sand floors to my left here. Undercover, protected from the rain. And highly accessible, located within Ascot. It's 42 Epsom.